Are you a medical professional looking to improve your practice's financial performance? The world of medicine is complex, and so are its financial aspects. As a healthcare provider, your expertise lies in patient care, not in the intricate labyrinth of financial management. Navigating through the maze of financial obligations, regulatory compliance, and revenue cycle management can be overwhelming. Don't fret. Investing in a CPA firm can be one of the smartest decisions you make for your practice. CPAs hold the key to addressing your complex financial needs. The medical field has its unique financial hurdles, such as intricate billing, coding requirements, and ever-changing government regulations. It's like navigating a labyrinth with shifting walls. But worry not, with a CPA by your side, you can confidently stride through this financial maze. Their expertise and experience are your compass and map, guiding you towards financial stability. With a CPA, your practice is in financially sound hands. But the benefits of hiring a CPA don't stop at expertise. A CPA can be your key to significant tax savings by identifying and leveraging all available deductions and credits. They can also help improve your cash flow, spotlighting areas of revenue and expense where alterations can be made for better financial health. Moreover, a CPA's counsel is invaluable when making decisions about your practice's finances, from investing in new equipment to expansion plans. A CPA can save you money, improve your cash flow, and provide valuable financial advice. Improving the financial performance of your medical practice is within reach. Consider the value of investing in a CPA firm. Expertise in complex financial matters, potential savings on taxes, improved cash flow, and valuable financial advice are all resources at your disposal. These benefits can make a significant difference in the success and growth of your practice. Don't navigate the financial challenges alone. Invest in a CPA firm and let your practice achieve its financial goals.